Hey guys, I'm Elliot. This is Everything Elliot, and today's gonna be a little bit of a different video than we normally post on the channel. If you've watched any of my videos before, you know I have a neighbor that's next door. He's 9 years old, his name's Tucker, and he loves hanging out. Loves working on stuff with me, loves splitting wood with me. He's all around, just loves being outdoors and doing things. He also loves YouTube, loves watching my channel, and has dreams and aspirations of starting his own channel. So I made him a deal today. The deal is that he's gonna come over, he's gonna help me prep the shop for winter, and in return, I'm gonna let him film this entire video. Obviously, I'm filming the introduction, but I'm gonna let him film the entire video. He's gonna be doing most of the work, and I'll edit it and post it for him. Today's video is gonna consist of basically prepping the shop for winter. Now, I like to park all of my vehicles inside the shop in wintertime. That way I'm not scraping a bunch of snow off. And over summer, I tend to accumulate a lot of stuff in here and tend not to put things away because I'm a little bit messy, but that's all right, because in the summertime, I don't park in here. So we basically just need to do a giant organization session. We need to put a couple things away, get rid of some stuff, do a little spring cleaning in the fall, and then we're gonna power wash the floors as well. Now, I think I'm gonna have Tucker do most of that because it's a wet, messy job, but I'm sure he'll do well. This truck that's behind me on the lift is waiting to get undercoated. I'm about to start doing that. Once I'm done undercoating that truck, I'll pull that out and we'll get Tucker over here. It is raining outside today. I am gonna fire up the Lenair waste oil heater to get it nice and warm in here. If we're gonna be working here most of the day, I want it to be nice and warm. So in a little bit, you're gonna see Tucker, and he's gonna start filming. Stick around, we'll see how it goes.
Today we are going to be power washing the garage. It is raining outside, so it is going to be a little bit loud and the fan's running. So we are going to start with sweeping, and then after that I'll show you how this attachment works. So I guess we'll get to it.
What do we gotta do first? What's the first thing we gotta do to make room?
Oh, we have to move the tractor, so that we have more room.
Okay. Where are we gonna put it outside?
Yep.
Alright. You wanna do that?
Yeah.
Alright. You remember you turn the key on?
Yep.
Let the glow plugs warm up? That's good. Take that bucket down. Well, with the fan stops, it's gonna be a little easier to hear in here, huh?
Yep.
Okay. So you gotta do a really good job. We gotta get all these leaves all around the perimeter and stuff too, alright?
Because then it will just do nothing.
It's called a push broom for a reason, not a pull broom.
See, you know it'd be funny if you have that as the first part of your video, like the intro. See, that's what you call intro. So they weren't, I don't know if you can tell, but they're slightly turned one way, and when it sprays, it rotates this way, and when it rotates, it cleans a lot more space than just taking the normal nozzle just going back and forth. This, you just like push it in lines, and it cleans the perimeter of how big it is. And
so what, that hooks up to the power washer?
Yep.
So what do we got to do then?
We have to get the power washer hooked up.
We do have to get the power washer hooked up. That's good. Is it on all the way?
Yeah.
Always want it on all the way, right? Okay. Now what do we got to do next before we start it?
We have to make sure all the bubbles are out of the lines.
And how do we do that?
By hitting, you just hit the trigger, so then once you hear that noise, when it stops making that noise like out of the nozzle, that means you're good to go and you can see it. So looks like we're good.
I'll start it for you because it can be a little temperamental. Okay, ready to start power washing? All right. So we still got a little bit of a mess over here. Yeah. Underneath the lift, right?
That's just undercoating, so.
It is undercoating. How do you think we can get that?
Like a metal scraper or something.
How about we put just the nozzle on?
Oh.
All right, so let's just focus on these dirty spots. The cleaner did a pretty good job on this floor. It was pretty filthy. Theodore, how do you like your new clean floor?
He doesn't like it.
He doesn't like it. He likes a dirty floor?
Yeah.
Why do you think he likes a dirty floor?
told me yesterday he likes to lay in the dirt.
Piles of dirt, because they're soft. I never see he likes a dirty floor, just the piles of dirt. Tucker said he wants to try to start it. All right, go ahead. What do you got to do first? There you go. There you go. Nice job. So we just have some small touch-up stuff left. I'm gonna have him keep at it. We're gonna clean the floor a little more. He's gonna finish the lifts, and then I think we'll be done in here. So we'll be back with you guys in a couple minutes once we finish cleaning this lift off. So, Tucker's first YouTube video, right?
Yeah.
How do you think it went?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
What did we get done today?
Power wash the floor.
Yeah? We didn't just power wash the floor. What did we do before we power washed it?
Swept.
Swept?
Power wash.
Do a little organization?
Yep.
Yep. Nice and loud, right?
Yep.
Because why?
Raining.
It's raining outside, right? I don't have insulation, so the rain on the roof makes a lot of noise.
Yep.
It's crazy, I know, but it's the life you live. So yeah, we got the shop cleaned up. It's pretty much ready for winter. There's a couple things in here that are going to be going. The green John Deere is going to be going over to my dad's house for snow blowing for the winter. That wooden trailer that's behind me, that's my father's as well. That's going to be going back to his house. That's here because the lights aren't working. I got to fix that. Other than that, we got the floor nice and clean. We did a ton of organizing, got my workbench all cleaned up, put all my random assortment of tools that have just been laying around. What else?
Car lift.
Clean the car lift, yep. We did that, sure did.
I got to drive the ATV, put it apart, and then I got to move Elliot's dad's tractor.
Yep, the John Deere.
And then I moved the trailer.
The trailer, yep.
And then I moved the tractor.
The Kubota tractor, right?
Yep.
That's cool. So, I think we have to do an outro. So what do I normally say in the end of my videos? Why don't you tell everybody?
Thanks for watching today's video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like and subscribe below.
There you go. Cool. And what do I say? Do you remember what I say at the end of every video? What do I tell people?
Have a great day.
There you go. I'll see you guys on the next one.